Na kabenta ki khubor baman kasni page but subscribe ya u Antor News. On June 25, 2024, Bethany Society, in collaboration with IIT Mumbai, successfully distributed 5 sabji coolers to vegetable vendors from Laitumkhrah market and Iewduh. These eco-friendly coolers, designed by Rukat Mumbai, operate without electricity, ensuring zero operational costs. The distribution was overseen by Dr. C. Norandha, Secretary of Bethany Society, in the presence of officials from IIT Mumbai and SELCO team. Key features of Sabji coolers: maintenance cost-free, cold storage for flowers, fruits and vegetables. Zero operational cost, requires no electricity, diesel or additional energy, only 15 or 20 liters of water per day. Natural repining chamber, ideal for fruits like banana, custard, apple, lemon, mangoes, maintaining long-lasting freshness. Reduce wastage, controls and prevents fungus growth, ensuring uniform patch-free life for produce. Higher income, improves the selling price of vegetables by 25 or 30%. This initiative aims to enhance the livelihoods of local vendors by providing sustainable, efficient cooling solutions that benefit both producer and consumers alike. Next step, monitor the impact of Sabji coolers on vendor income and produce quality. Plan for future distributions and expansion in collaboration with Rukat Mumbai and other stakeholders. This event marks a significant step towards promoting sustainable agriculture and economic empowerment in Meghalaya.
Okay, we'll just open and have a look. Yeah, so all this. You have to tell them what this is. This here down. Okay. Can you come di ban who you can draw? You long. Kan long may kumtu. Next. Kung ibaris clearly done. Yes. Kung ibaris clear in Iewduh. Kani ko jom ikem mo. Ikem pa rin. Okay. To. Yeah. Okay. And then we'll give this. Just shake hand now.
Ini technical report na